Hello. Today I will be giving you a little tour of the new Ban Wayfarer sunglasses, and this is the classic Wayfarer model but in a new refurbished version since Ray-Ban got bought by the Italian company Luxottica. So it's not an American company anymore, but it still keeps the essential design. As you can see on the frame, it keeps the classic square-like shape with metal dot at the edges. As you can see, this pair of sunglasses are polarized, and polarized sunglasses are one of my favorites because they give you a great ability to find your way through an extremely sunny day. They really filter out reflections quite extraordinarily, and especially if you spend a lot of time by the poolside or seaside or any surface which reflects a lot of light, the Polaroid version is the way to go. In my experience, these sunglasses have provided me so much careless time outside sunny California. I never had a problem with my eyes because I was wearing these sunglasses. I have very sensitive eyes to the light, and these sunglasses give me the opportunity to feel free in a very overexposed environment. So let's get a little tour of this specific pair of sunglasses. You can see the color of the frame is brown with yellowish brown, and you can see that there are some spots on it which kind of imitate the leopard look, but it's not very visible, so it still gives you a discreet look and doesn't make you feel like you're a super rap star or someone who wears really fancy stuff. Yeah, you can see the spots and at a very good angle here. Here is the Ray-Ban logo. There you go. And I'll give you a tour as well how to know if your glasses are original Ray-Bans. Alright, so from the inside, this is how it looks like. I should vibe the glass itself. There's the Ray-Ban P logo, and in the case of originality, the Ray-Bans have a serial number and they have the model name. You can see New Wayfarer, and that's the RB2132F is the serial number. So any real Ray-Ban would have a real serial number. Plus also there is an RB. Look at the right side of the frame. There is an RB carved into the glass itself, which is the sign of a genuine piece of Ray-Ban. On the other side, you can see that Ray-Ban now is made in Italy, and it's completely polarized. Where the sunglasses bend, there is this metal structure here, which in a good pair of sunglasses should be very smooth and should give you some resistance. And these pair of sunglasses are it feels like extremely high quality when you close them and open them, because they give you somewhat of a resistance, but they still glide very smoothly. This is a very, very fashionable pair of sunglasses. It gives you that 60s feel with the Wayfarer, but as I said, This is the new Wayfarer, so this is a refurbished look. So anyone who wants to appear as somewhat fashionable in the Italian style, let's say, but keep some American elements, the Ray-Ban Wayfarer will be a great choice. Of course, with the Ray-Bans comes with their packaging or a protective case, which has a very leathery feel. I'm not sure if it's genuine leather, but it sure feels like it's really good. And the case has a Ray-Ban logo on it, as I showed you, the Luxottica emblem with the Ray-Ban emblem, and when you open it, it has a button here which closes the top from the inside. It's almost a cashmere-like material with the sewing on the side, and they of course come with Ray-Ban glass cleaning textile, which you will need occasionally, because these sunglasses can get really easily, fingerprinted, and the dust stucks on them. So essentially, if you buy Ray-Bans, it always comes with this package, with the case, with the cleaning textile, and of course the glasses itself. I highly recommend these glasses. In my personal experience, it's been a great pair of sunglasses. They've been serving me very well, and probably I will be using these sunglasses for years and years to come, because when you buy a Ray-Ban, you're buying a high quality product. Alright, thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you got some good information from it, and I wish you a good day.